me back with another video. Today is a special video. We're doing Subway Surfers because we hit 40 subscribers and like 48 or something, 50, and then we can go live. But yeah, so let's start this. I mean, I think I'm good at the game, right? I don't know. Y'all can decide that when the video is over. Sorry guys. My door. It's just my door. But oh, okay. If we hit 50 subscribers, I will be doing another special video, like 2 special videos in one. No, what? 2 special games in one video. Maybe I'll play like a horror game in Roblox. That'd be cool. And 2 war games in Roblox? I don't know. Whatever you guys recommend. And if you guys don't recommend anything, then I'll just pick myself. Yeah. So when we hit 50 subscribers, our next goal would be probably 80 subscribers, because that's a lot. In my opinion, that would be so much. So yeah, if you guys just want more of these specialty videos, make sure y'all subscribe if you haven't already. Sounds like I'm ending the video. Is it just me or are all family the same? Oof, I bumped my head. That hurt. Like, not all family. I don't know what I mean when I say this. Hero landing. Okay. I can do so many hero landings. Alright. Keep going. I can do this. But I want to do this. I can do this. Wait and do this. I can do this. Go ahead and do this. I can do this. What am I even doing? What am I even singing? I was whisper singing. It was really weird. It's like I forgot I was recording or something. Anyways. Sorry for when I just go silent. I ran out of words. But yeah. I am so trying to grow my channel. And you guys subscribing to me makes me so happy. Like, I just literally cry. I cry all day. Oh, I bumped my head. Wait, I forgot what I was doing. Oh yeah, I was running from a cop. I don't know what I did, but I think I stole one of the trains and now I'm getting in trouble. Imagine this was for life. That'd be crazy. You can get just unlimited coins. You don't even have to work or nothing. I'd be rich with Robux. I wish I had a star code. If I ever get a star code, okay, it's fine. Okay. So I'm still okay. Don't worry, I ain't gonna die. Just like that yet. Cause I might. Okay, boom, boom. Boom, boom, bam, bam. Barm, barmy, dorby. Okay, that's good, good. Good, yeah. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Also, if you guys hit me to, let me see, 60 subscribers, before like I even get to look at the 50 subscribers. Oof. Okay. Let me just say what I was gonna say. Then I will show you guys how to edit your videos. Okay? What is this? Here. But yeah, I will do that. But yeah. So I'll subscribe if you haven't already, and bye. Peace out.